What's up, people? So, Beta Kai again, and today I actually have a full review, my guy. Look at the potato wedges. I seen these on Facebook. Spicy sweet chili Dorito sauce. Yes, wings, do you, boo boo? You looking extra delicious with your little glaze on you. You got the Doritos sitting like, ugh, look at your Doritos. You over here looking like potato wedges over here. Not a lot of people are actually like vibing with Buffalo Wild Wings like as of late. So it's like my face and the Doritos. It's like, it does look good. Like, Facebook made me try it. Let's get into it. Let's taste these potato wedges. Hold on. Cover it up. Cover it up. Cover it up. I can't necessarily go in on them about the potato wedges. The flavor is good. Like the best is it better than KFC's old potato wedges? Nah. On a scale of 1 to 5, it's okay. Like I encourage people to like, hey, run out and go get these. No. I guess I'll get to the wings. Oh, that's nice and sticky. Cause obviously this is what you come for right there, buddy. That's what you come for. Oh, hold on. Let's see. Uh, See, hold on. I like the flavor. This is what you would expect from the Doritos. But the chicken Buffalo Wild Wings, let me say it. Like, y'all chicken kind of tastes. I'm gonna try another piece. Hold on, I'm gonna try another piece. Let me go ahead and try. Let me go ahead and try another piece. Right? Let me try this flat. Let's see. It is sweet heat. Yeah, this was actually really good. The second piece is redemption. All right. That first piece, I don't know. Maybe that's an old wing or something, but I don't know. Buffalo Wild Wings, yeah, that's my Dunkin' Donut cup, bro. That's how it is. Fabulous over here. Real good stuff over here. Real good stuff over here. But I like this. All right. How much this stuff was? Well, I don't know. I don't know if I got another receipt on me. I'm not sure. I don't think I do though. It came up to $22 and something odd cent for 10 wings. And I think a large potato wedge. The potato wedges could be crispier, but that's it. I ain't gonna hit them over the head too much because I did have it sitting for a little bit. It's like these wings though. These are definitely good. I'll say they knocked this one out of the park on this one. Like these are fantastic. Like these are really nice. The sweet is perfect. The heat is perfect. Like, it is really good. People been kind of clowning Buffalo Wild Wings because the quality's gone down. But that first piece of chicken I had, no cap, Buffalo Wild Wings. That first piece of chicken I had, that tastes freezer burnt, bro. No capping over here, bro. It tastes freezer burnt. So that's why I had to. That's why I had to try the second one to make sure that y'all didn't give me no freezer burnt wing. Give me some terrible wings. I was like, bam, that's it. Nah, but 1 to 5, 1 to 5. These 5, bro. Like, these hitting. I recommend you go get them. Like, today. Like, right now. Like this video. Share this video with your peoples. Alright? Tell them to comment on the video. You comment on the video. Tell them to subscribe to the channel. And then, after you do all that, go pick up these wings. Seriously. Seriously. Pick up these wings. 10-piece, 6-piece, whatever piece you get. You might want to pick up more than 10 because they that good. They are that good. Yeah, these are fantastic. All right, I ain't gonna hold y'all up. These gonna go to clean plate right here. These wedges gonna go in like a refrigerator or something. I don't know about these. But as a compliment, yeah, hold on. Ooh, hold on. Let me do this one time. Let me do that one time. Let me get the wedge in there, right? Go ahead and get the wedge in there. Let me get some of that sweet chili sauce on the wedge. On the wedge, bro. Get it on the wedge, bro. Get it on the wedge. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Yeah. It's definitely the sauce. The sauce is real good, y'all. Oh yeah, you can put this sauce on anything. Alright. That's enough of that. Hold on. I'm gonna take you back real quick, right? It's like elementary. 90s. I'm in like the 4th grade. I get my first bag of these. I fall in love with them, right? Bro, this takes me right back. Like, these taste like nostalgia. Y'all need this big old tub? Nope. I sure didn't. So good. I do not need this big tub. I see all the portions, but I'm telling you. Try and look for some sauce. Get that little cheese. Get this little paw print right here. This sauce go good on everything, y'all. Okay, no, not that. Okay, my bad. I'm about to knock these wings off. Let me know what I should taste. Let me know what I should test. If you been here since day one, go ahead and drop on my day one. Go ahead and drop on my day one in the comments. Thank y'all. If you're new, subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, share the video, let people know that Beta Kai is here and he's testing food, he's doing vlogs, he's doing challenges, and stay up, get your money up. We out here. Out. Cheer. That's just a no. Don't put Don't put the sauce on your cheese puff.